babies, welcome to my channel, and today's video is going to show you how you can increase the size of your lips using just makeup. If you're new to my channel, make sure you go ahead and subscribe. I do videos on beauty, fashion, and a little bit of fitness, so I'd love to have you. If your lips could use a little boost, just sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. Okay guys, so I'm starting with this concealer from Lancome, and all the information regarding all the products that I use are also below in the description box if you need to reference them. But I'm just going to apply this concealer to kind of blur and fade my natural lip line. And you want to use a concealer that's similar to your skin tone so that you can easily blend it. And I'm doing this to both the upper and lower lip line. Okay, so this is where it gets good. I'm going to use this Maybelline Moisture Whip Pencil, and it's a lip liner in the shade Cranberry. And you want to make sure that it's super sharp, so you get really sharp lines. And this is where the good part comes in. When you line your lips, you want to make sure that you emphasize and exaggerate the middle portion of your lips, right where the Cupid bow is. So right there, you want to draw outside your natural lip line. Only in the center part of your lips, guys. Right there. Now, as you work towards the corners of your mouth, you're going to use the natural lip line. So you're not going to trace outside of the line. You only want to trace outside of the line in that center part of your lip. And as you work towards the corners, you go more over the natural line of your lips. There, that's the natural line. And that's the not natural line. Now for the bottom lip, which is usually already naturally kind of bigger than the upper lip, you can only emphasize the middle portion again, same thing. And as you work towards the outer corners, you just follow the natural line. This is going to give your lips a more natural, pouty look rather than oh, she overdrew her lips kind of look. Now, for your lipstick, you want to use a matte lipstick at all costs. You do not want to use a glossy lip because it'll give it away. You'll instantly see that your lips are not naturally as plump as they appear. The matte lipstick doesn't reflect any light. It just stays matte on your lips, so it doesn't easily give away that, you know, your lips are really not that big. So you're just going to fill in your lips with this color, going slightly over the lip liner so it all naturally blends. And again, guys, make sure you use a matte lipstick because it'll look more natural than anything else. Oh, and I'm using the shade Bittersweet, and it's Anastasia Beverly Hills, for those of you who want to know. And then I'm going to use my concealer to kind of clean up the lips anywhere that I feel necessary, just so there's sharp lines and it looks all nice, neat, and clean. And although it already really looks kind of good, I'm going to give it an extra little touch with this Fresh Glow highlighter in the shade Rose Gold from Burberry. And I'm just going to go over my Cupid's bow and just add a little highlighter right there. And there you go, guys. Your plump, beautiful, big lips. I hope you guys liked this video. I hope it was useful to you. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you again in my next video.